Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Adobe, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Adobe Creative Cloud application. Navigate to the Apps section in the top menu. Select the Adobe app that you want to use for your investment project. For this tutorial, we will focus on Adobe Illustrator. Once Illustrator is open, create a new document. Choose the size and dimensions that best fit your project. Next, familiarize yourself with the main tools on the left sidebar. Select the rectangle tool to create a basic shape for your layout. Draw a rectangle on the canvas as your investment area. Use the Type tool to add text elements. Input relevant titles or labels related to your investment. Now, let's visualize your investment portfolio. Consider using the Graph tool to present data effectively. Select the type of graph that best represents your information. Input your investment data into the dialog box that appears. Adjust the colors and styles to match your design preferences. Once satisfied, use the Selection tool to position your graph. Next, incorporate images or icons to represent various investments. You can find free assets through Adobe Stock or import your own. Drag and drop images into your document and resize as necessary. Utilize layers to organize different elements of your design. Ensure that text is legible and contrasts well with the background. Consider adding infographics to enhance visual appeal. Once your design is complete, review all elements for clarity. Export your project by navigating to the File menu. Select Export and then choose the desired file format. Name your file and select the destination folder. Click Export to save your investment design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.